welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Excel functions on your Excel spreadsheet. So over here I have a spreadsheet that I've made. You can download it in the description with the question paper as well. So let's get on to the topic. Okay, so first let's have a look at question number 1. It says use the data model given in the spreadsheet file sports to solve the tasks. So I've opened sports file and you should do question number 2 is here. In cell E5 apply a lookup formula to find the house name using the house table given above. So here I have the house table and you will be needing this for the house name. So this is cell E5 and I'm just equals to VLOOKUP. It says a lookup value. A lookup value is the value what you're looking for. So it says use a house code. So I'm going to use this, click, and there we go. Next is a table array. The table array basically means which table you want to use to find the information from. So I'll use this table and go back again and press this and column index number. Now the column index number means which column you want to display, column 1, column 2 or column 3. Over here I want to find the house name which is in column 2, so 2. And the last one, if you want an exact match, you need to press false or just type false and close the bracket, and there we go. Another mistake most people make is over here. So since I know that this value moves down as a drag, which means this value will also be moving down as I drag it down with the fill handle. So for example over here I drag it down and it doesn't see any of these values in that table. So this easy method is select all of it and press F4 when your FN lock is on. Press F4 and put $signs for you to lock the values, and it is called absolute cell reference equals. Now in question number 3 it says copy down the formula to find the house name of other students. This basically means just click the fill handle and drag down till the 9th person. There we go. We're done question number 3 as well. Okay, now we're heading on to if statements. In cell H5 apply if function to find the points according to the conditions given below. So in the first one it says 7 points for position 1, 5 points for position 2 and 3 points for position 3. As usual just type if and there's three sets of values you need to put in this. A logical test is the test or the reasoning you need to do to get the answer. So for example it says for positions, so position table is here, but we won't select the whole table. We'll just press this because it will move down and we'll know how many points each got. What is it supposed to be? It's supposed to be 1. If it is 1 then the points are 7, and if it's not 7 write in the if statement and conduct a logical test again. So if G5 equals to 2 then 5 points or else 3 because there's 1, 2 and 3 positions. You press enter after putting true brackets because there are 2 if commands. So if I type 3 if commands, 3 brackets, remember that everybody. So now you drag it down and we're done with question number 5 as well. Okay, now in question number 6 it says in cell L3 apply sum if function to find the total points scored by eagles. So we'll have to find cell L3 which is here, and now what we have to do is find the total points scored by eagles. This is a sum if function, apply sum if, range criteria and sum range. So range is where you want to find the name. So the name is found here. Select this place and lock the values for, and then criteria, what you're finding the house name in this table. And the table where you want to add the points is in the points table as shown from cell H3 to H13. Now you apply F4 on all the values like this and close the bracket, and there you go. Now you drag it down and you can see that the table stays there. The range and the sum range stay there. They don't move because it's absolute cell reference. Now we're done with question 7 as well because we replicated the formula down to question number 10. In cell B16, apply countif function to find the number of students from 6D using the grade from column. So we're going to go to the table, and the table is here. Now we're going to use countif function. It's extremely easy and it has just 2 steps. So countif, range and criteria. Where do you want to count? You want to count here, and what you want to find is here. Now don't forget to press F4 or lock the values by typing the $sign before the columns and the rows of the table. Now, close the brackets, scroll down, and it works. So this is the fill handle. You use the fill handle to complete question number 11. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Bye. How to